Hello, Paul here from the Automotive and Carrying Facility. I've got this 911, old 911, and I was doing the alternator. This one here is really old and noisy. When you start it up, the actual car seems like something's gonna come off, but it's actually just this one here. When you put pressure on the actual belt, instantly you get like a bearing noise. So I've got a brand new one as well. The other one, I had a brand new one before, but that one was a bit different, so I had to get another one. There it is. That's the one we're going to fit to the car as well. So that's the old one, that's the brand new one. And while we're doing that, I'm going to we're going to clean all this here, and we're going to paint it. Paint the whole lot. Give it a nice some fresh paint on the fan and on this part here as well. While the thing is out, we might as well give it a nice paint. Alright, we're going to put some primer. We're going to prime it first. After we prime it, then we'll put the paint in. But for now, we're going to do this. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.